Good evening, I'm Sandra Asan. Coming up tonight, tropical depression not expected to directly affect Fiji Group. Strong wind warning remain for the group and another life lost to flooded waters. Good evening, I'm Sandra Asan. A new tropical depression was located to the west of Nadi at 10 a.m. today. It is expected to move towards the southwest and intensify. It may develop into a tropical cyclone in the next 24 to 36 hours. However, it is not expected to directly affect Fiji. Our news crew was in Nadi weather office and filed this report.
A forecast to midnight tomorrow for the Fiji Group. According to the director for Fiji Met, strong north to northwest winds with average wind speed of 40 kilometers per hour to 50 kilometers per hour, with momentary gusts to 65 kilometers per hour over Yasawa and Mamanuca, western Viti, Kandavu, and nearby smaller islands. Rough to very rough seas. Elsewhere, moderate to fresh northerly winds, gusty at times. Periods of rain, heavy at times, and squally thunderstorms. Says flooding of low-lying areas will also be affected.
Meanwhile, a strong wind warning still remains in place for the Yasawa and Mamanucas, southwest Fiji and southern Lao waters, as well as the southern Coral Sea and Kandavu Passage. It is expected to move towards the southwest, away from the group. However, the associated active trough with cloud and rain bands continue to affect the group.
For Yasawa and Mamanuca, southwest Viti and southern Lao waters, southern Coral Sea and Kandavu Passage, north to northwest winds 25 to 30 knots, gusting to 45 knots. Rough to very rough seas, moderate northwest swells, poor visibility in areas of heavy rain and thunderstorms. Further outlook, north to northwest winds 25 to 30 knots, rough to very rough seas. For the rest of Fiji waters, north to northwest winds 50 to 20 knots, moderate to rough seas, moderate northwest swells, poor visibility in areas of heavy rain and thunderstorms. Further outlook, north to northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, rough seas.
A family of Waivola settlement in Corovo is mourning the death of their 26-year-old son who died yesterday. Police revealed that Iosefo Sungu died after he got caught in floating debris while swimming in a flooded river near his house. His death brings the flood death toll to 3. 2 others died late last month, where in one case, a farmer in the north was swept away by strong currents while trying to cross a flooded river, while another died in Ba after trying to cross a flooded road. The National Disaster Management Office, together with the Ministry of Health, are requesting that all expectant mothers who are nearing their due dates to start moving closer to health centers or hospitals within the vicinity, as the state of natural disaster continues to be in effect over parts of the Western Division.
Due to the trough of low pressure and associated clouds in the western side of Fiji, expectant mothers are urged to make their way to the nearest health centers before it's too late. Health spokesperson Penny Namoto said this is mainly due to the accessibility of patients to hospitals and the quick rise in water levels, as most of the area is now experiencing heavy rain.
Yes, given the adverse weather condition that the Western Division is experiencing, and also we're expecting another storm in the next couple of days, we are advising pregnant mothers that are expecting to deliver to make themselves not only available to medical facility, but to move closer to medical facility. As we all know, there are problems that have been faced by the people, not only roads that has been destructed by the previous flood, but also there's been bridges that has been damaged as well. So there will be problems of pregnant mothers accessing the medical facility. So it is very important for them to move closer to any medical facility as soon as possible, especially those that are expecting to deliver soon.
Right now, sub-divisional hospitals are unable to provide full services because of the unavailability of electricity and water supply. A total of 16 evacuation centers remain open in Lautoka, Nandi and Nanronga, including evacuation centers in Tavua that reopened today to cater for evacuees. 4 schools have been opened as evacuation centers in Tavua, with 2 occupied.
Coming up after the break, business sector provides added boost to relief efforts and Agriculture Ministry assesses damages.